we'll discuss about storage class specifier. This is also one basic element. Storage class specifier specifies the scope of a variable and the life of a variable. Scope is nothing but a variable is visible to what all code, which all places it's visible. And second is it will specify the life of a variable. Whether the variable is live, the variable life is only to a function where you have declared, or is it's available throughout the program. Okay, two things get mentioned. It also specifies in which part of the memory the variable has to be stored. Three things: where the variable has to be stored, in which memory. Second one is the life of a variable, and then third one is the visibility, that is a scope. To do that, C language provides four types of storage class specifier. First one is auto. This one is a default storage class specifier. Second is static. Third one is register. And fourth one is external. I repeat once again, the storage class specifier will specify where the variable has to be stored, in which part of the random access memory the variable has to be stored. Second is it will specify the life of a variable, whether the variable should be live only to one function or else throughout the program. Third is it will specify the scope, the visibility of a variable, whether that variable what you have declared is should be available only within the program or also outside the program.